Good morning, Falcons. Welcome to middle school morning meeting today. It is April 28th, 2020. And the topic, as you could see in the image at the bottom, is this question in this discussion of surviving or thriving in the age of coronavirus and quarantine and social distancing and e-school. All these things. We are just going to have a fair discussion of where you're at and where you can go, especially with the power of our community and a little bit of inspiration. So first I'd like to start with a little vocabulary. It's so helpful when you're in a new place and a new environment just to have words to describe maybe how you're doing. And that can be just so powerful in and of itself. And so I love the phrase surviving and thriving. And feel free, please Google it and look at just how applicable it is to so many instances of adversity. And one image that really stuck out for how to think through this is this image above. It's a continuum, which means that a continuum is like two opposites with a lot of in between. And so a few of the words used to describe this continuum are: you could be not surviving when faced with adversity, whether it's you've lost someone, whether you're very sick. It could be that you're suffering from a disease, and mentally you're not surviving. You're not doing well. There's so many different examples. Again, if you Google "surviving and thriving," of ways that this model applies. And then there's thriving, right? You're putting all your energy into just making it. So on the edge. Then there's coping, right? You're sort of like you're getting through it. You're doing okay. And then there's thriving. It's conquering. It's overcoming. And we certainly hope that all our staff and our Falcon students can be thriving right now. But we also know that that's not realistic. And sometimes in the same day, you're going to be not surviving, coping, back to surviving and thriving. And so what I'd like you to do right now is share in your chat. How are you right now? How are you overall, like in the last week? And when everyone's gotten a chance to share, come on back to the video. Thanks. Please pause. Welcome back. All right. So hopefully you got a chance to share and you do feel the sense of it's okay to be any one of these things, and no one is one of these things all the time, right? And to a certain extent, we want you to think about what you have control over so that you can move from not surviving or surviving to thriving. And one thing that I want to leave us with is from our who we are statement as a school community, particularly the sentence in bold. You are not alone, even if you are at home and not with your community of buyers. You are not alone without us to help you be you. And so whether that's your advisor, your close friends, teachers who you miss, we are all here to truly support you, and we hope that you do use our community, or as the sentence says, together we work to cultivate relationships and support each other to be our best. And so our relationships, we want to be a source of strength for you during this time, and that is how we have designed eSchool. And so please do use those relationships, whether it's through honestly reflecting in your wellness check in the morning about how you're doing so that someone will reach out to you, or whether it's proactively asking for support. We're here for you. And so next, what you guys are going to do is you're going to watch some videos created by Falcon staff members who are going to share songs that relate to surviving and thriving. And I hope that you're able to just reflect, have some fun, think about your own songs that you're using as musical therapy to work through this tough time for all of us. And that's all. So have a great rest of the morning meeting and have a great day.